guys, welcome back to my channel, which is Jordan Henderson. Today we're going to be doing like my slime collection. So if you're wondering why I'm doing a slime collection, it is because all my slimes back there, you can't see them because they're behind me. And so, got a whole job too, so this is my first one. I'm not going to show you all the containers, I'm just going to take them out. But I just got to show this one because I have this song I could find right now. Well, I picked this one up first. So, this is my butter slime. This is my butter slime. Sorry about this fan beside me. I'll turn this off. This is my butter slime. Doesn't have much of a poke because I haven't been moisturizing it. They're all gonna be this color because I use Model Magic to make my slimes. Last video I did about my slime collection or something like that. I'm thinking I posted that. I think it's on my other channel. And as you can see, I just made myself a base scratched. As you can see. So it does have one. I'm just holding it with my foot. And like just squeeze it or something. Really cool. So that's this one. On to the next one. Just so y'all know, they are all red because I use red Model Magic. And I think like one of them's white, but I'm not sure. No, they're all red because they ran out of white Model Magic, so they only had red in stock and green, but green looks like Christmassy. So red looks like more like drama-ish. I like drama. I like it so like. So they're all in a red container. Well, not in a red container, but they're all in a purple container because like it's like a collection of them. Because I bought a big old pack of them. They all came like sandwich length and stuff. So yeah. So they're all like I know y'all are looking at me like, oh, I'm doing this. But here's my second one. This one's not that big, but not sure if y'all can see me, but yeah, they're all over here. Okay, not sure what to do, but here's my next one. Yes, this one is smaller. So, and there are some of them. Hang on, I'm gonna have to move y'all around. So here's this one. They all came sandwich like hot dog length. Hang on, let me get this open. Here's this one. This one's much smaller and goopier. See, the other one wasn't like this. It just like popped down on you. So this is this one. This one isn't my butter slime, but it's sort of like it. As you can see, it's like really like all my fingers and stuff. Just like beetles in the city. As you can see, it's like right there and stuff like that. This one's really sticky. This one I've had for like almost a year. Well, not a year. Slimes are not very good for a year. I have to throw mine away. So that's why I only have like 4 or 5. I don't know. But I'll be making more. And I'll do another slime collection. So this one does not have a poking sound. I don't know if you guys hear that. Well, it sort of does. Sorry. This one sort of has a poking, but not really. It's like a wet poking sound. Okay, there's a poking sound. I don't know if you can see this, but like it's like all trapped on my fingers. So on to the next slime. This is number 3. I don't know if there's like 4 more over there. So 3 plus 2, 4 is 8, right? No, that's 7. Okay, I want the next one. Gotta get it. So, you can't see me very well, but okay. Sorry about that if you can't see me. This is the next one. This one is like much bigger than all of them. This one does have a poking sound. Wait, hang on. See, this one does have a poking sound. This is another butter slime I made. But this isn't like the right butter slime, so there's a lot of hairs in this one. But I'll take it out for y'all. The first one I could not take out for y'all, but this one's much thicker and much redder than the other one. And this one you can like put to your face. This one is very harmless. Much less harmful. The other 2 were not harmful, but the second one I just did, the one before this one I did, was really harmful. It had like baby oil in it, shampoo. Yeah. I'll leave how to make this one in the description. This one is harmful and it's harmless. I don't know, but I think there's like really some bad ingredients in it. The only one I think is harmful in here is like detergent or something. And yeah, you smell that. It smells so good. So yeah. So that's this one. This one's much thicker and stickier. This one's much stretchier. Boop, 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 boop. It looks like relish. Not relish. Not relish. But it looks more like so I will be doing live. So this was my favorite. I'm gonna be doing my live. But this one does sort of sticky. But it's not sticky enough to be sticky, you know? So put this one back. Here we go. Another. This one's sticky. I forgot about this one. So I picked up the wrong one, I think. This one's much stickier. I was trying not to put this one in it, but see. So yeah, it's much stickier. As you can see, this one just like gulps to your hands. It like leaves little shavings behind. This one I used too much, I think, glue in this one, and didn't mix it enough. This one was supposed to be fluffy slime. It's not fluffy. It's more of a poopy slime. I have a lot of slimes. I think this one's like the, I don't know, there's like 7 back there. I don't know. So I think this is the 5th. So I got 2 more. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, 2 more. So this one's much stickier. Like I'm just trying to get things off and it's sticking to me. And you can see, as you can see, this is much thicker and stretchier. So this is really sticky and stuff. I'm trying to get it off my hands. So that's that one. And now, so nasty. Let me get the other one, and then I'll show you. So by the way, this one has a purplish bluish top in it, so that's why I know this one's this one. It might look like regular purple, but it's not. It's like a dark purple. But because like I've noticed that it looks like lighter or something darker on camera, something like that. So, yeah, so let me put this one up. This is the nasty one, bad one, sticky one. Right here. Here's my another one. Yes, I have been playing with this one today. It's my best one. It's not the best one, but it's a good one. I love this one. See, it makes like, it does not make poking sounds, but it's a good thing about that. You don't get on your parents' nerves. But this one's so good. It smells just like glitter. Oh, it doesn't smell like glitter, but this one's like much stretchier and everything else. And it's so bad. You can form it in a way like also don't know. Comment and see if I have anything on my nose. I don't know my name. So watch my video. It's called How to Do Your Nails. And there's different ones on there. So I think this is like the 7th one. I don't know, but I see there's a lot behind me. So this one has like a darkish bluish top, so I get those two mixed up. But I know this one's the one that's not sticky because it's the best one. Because I keep it on one side. I keep this on one side. And I just let the other one just spread out. And this one will not spread out. And this one is harmful to you. Like say like it's not harmful, so you like eat it, yes, like it's harmful. So thank y'all for watching my video. Like and subscribe. If you don't like it, just leave. I mean, because I like this video. Oh, whoop, pow, pow. Sorry. Whoop, pow, pow.